What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another one. So just came outside to do a little bit of yard work, mow the lawn, and check on the greenhouse. And we got quite a bit of wind yesterday, this morning, whatnot, and didn't think of anything of it. But yeah. A little update on our tobacco growing and herb growing. This shelf here just flipped over, and one of the posts came out. This post here came out, so I'm gonna have to find a way to tie these together so they don't pop out again. And it flipped over, and yeah, so I don't know what tobacco is what. We're gonna keep growing it though, the ones that are savable, and hopefully they'll pull through. The top shelf stayed. They're still doing fantastic, so at least we got some. But I'm gonna spend some time cleaning these up, picking them up, and hopefully salvaging some of them. I won't know what's what anymore, but that's all right. And then all the herbs spilled as well. I already picked those up, but yeah, fun stuff. Let's see what we can salvage here. Oh, all right. I'm gonna keep going, picking these up, and see if we can salvage any of them. The wind's going crazy again. We got at least a couple that I think will pull through. I don't know, 3 or 4 of them maybe. Hopefully all of them do, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at least that the plants are just, they're done. They won't make it. They got unrooted and everything, as you can see. So yeah, sad deal. Oh well. So we moved these ones from the top shelf just so they don't fall down to the bottom shelf. And then I kind of replanted some of these, trying to hopefully revive some of them. I guess we'll see what happens, but I'm not expecting many of these to make it out, just because they landed on top of them. This one might make it out. It was actually not anything laying on top of it, and that one might as well, but the rest of them were pretty smashed up, so this one might make it as well, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully something grows. I don't know. If not, we got these ones still yet. Looks like they're needing more water here soon, but yeah. Well, my friends, it stormed again last night. Real windy. And we're out by the greenhouse again. So I'm sure you can guess what happened yet again. Yep, they fell again. So we're gonna figure out a way to better keep these in here. I think just because these shelves like sit up and they're kind of slanted down or whatever, it's easier for them to fall off of there. I don't know. So we're gonna try to find a way to better hold these. This tobacco over here is looking really good though. All this, not so much. Don't think any of these are gonna survive, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna get those cleaned up and see what we can do. So I think what I'm gonna do here is like just zip tie a piece of wood here and in the back, just so this tray can't move at all, and it hopefully doesn't, you know, do the same stuff. And I'm also going to zip tie around where these poles are held in on both sides to the tray, so it can kind of keep it tighter together maybe, and so the trays don't fall. All right, so we got it all rigged up, so hopefully nothing falls again. We got boards on both sides here, just the front side here, hopefully, because everything's falling forward, hopefully that's fine. And then just the front side here, because it can't fall back anyways because the fence is there. Hopefully this helps these from falling off. Hopefully these come back. Bro, it's conked, bro. What are you doing? Just conked. Anyway, so we're gonna get some water on these. These are getting watered right now, but I'll probably just add to them just cause. And I fill the water underneath here, so it kind of sits and the water fills from the bottom, so the plants get what they need and don't get overwatered or whatever. The top doesn't get whatever. Anyway, they say that's best for it, so that's what we're doing. But we're gonna get some water on these ones, and hopefully some of them can pull through. Is that what you think, bro? What do you think? Oh, sneezes. Oh, sneezes. All right, come on, let's go. You're crazy. Well, I just wanted to give an update to everyone. We had a couple storms and the tobacco took a hit. So hopefully they can pull out of it. And if not, we still got half the plants still growing. So 16 plants at least. And we will, and we'll hopefully get those in the ground and get some tobacco rolled, get some tobacco fermenting, aging, whatever you want to call it, at the end of this. And then hopefully we can transplant these out into the garden deal in a couple weeks, once they get more stable. But until then, we're going to keep you guys updated. Like I said, just want to give you an update. Give us a thumbs up because we've gone through some trials and tribulation with this tobacco here. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget, explore the outdoors.